Alright, so my super awesome wife went out and got this cool thing for our Jeep. And we are going to replace our old Smittybuilt winch that has been on there for probably 12 years with this new Badlands winch. Oh. Hardware to mount it down. Cables.
What are those?
Instruction manuals that I'll probably never look at. Oh, stickers. I like stickers. Wireless remote. Probably the most excited about that part. Good looking hook. Lead. It looks like this fair lead bolts directly to the winch. My old one did not. That's cool. More stuff in there. Oh, it goes on the end of the hook. There it is. You can't use this one. It's got a picture of a truck on it. Sorry. You got a genuine concerned look on your face, like what?
No, it's a look of trying to touch my back. Fall for that one.
Look at why am I married to this guy? I don't know. You made the decision. No one forced you. Alright. I assume it's for the winch to mount to? I don't know. Recording. I don't know. Easy button.
Poof, it's installed.
Oh, you're gonna install for me too?
That was the easy
Oh,
button.
okay.
You know, if I knew how to do it, I would have done it already.
Yes.
I wouldn't have told you just come home to a brand new winch.
Well, I'm still very excited. All right. Guess I will have to read the instructions to see if that's. I assume that's a ground.
You have one more bag of hardware in there, it looks like.
Get this stuff out of there. All right, so I've hooked up the ground wire that goes to the battery, and this is the positive wire that goes to the battery. It already came hooked up, and then this little wire here goes to the ground post as well. There's a kit to relocate like the junction box or whatever up here, but I think I'm just going to leave it up here, though I am a little bit concerned that it's going to block the radiator, but we'll see. So I've had this Smittybuilt winch on here, God, 16 years, I'd say. I've had the thing completely submerged. It has been a good winch. It works great. It's just getting a bit weak, and I kind of wanted to get the synthetic rope instead of the cable anyways, and that this replacement's a 12,000 pound winch, and so it should do a little bit better. So anyways, I'm going to get this winch off of here and get the other one on. Get these square nuts out of the hardware bag. Put them in the holes here along the winch. Okay, so I got the winch put in place, and I ran the bolts up to the bottom and tighten them down, and let's see how much they torque to. There's an actual torque spec for them. "30 to 33 foot-pounds." So I'll get my torque wrench out and I'll torque those down. I got the winch all wired up, and now it's time to try it out. So there's this button that you have to turn on for the remote to work, and it's under this little flap here, and then it says press and hold on this remote 3 seconds until this red light comes on, and then this should work. Now, no, this is the wrong fair lead for it. Works good. Okay, so I finally get to go off-roading again tomorrow. I'm pretty excited, but something I haven't done yet is I haven't put the proper fair lead on this winch. You can see I'm still running the old fair lead for the cable. I couldn't mount the fair lead that came with the winch because it didn't have the proper bracket. So I got the bracket. It's a Badlands fair lead mount, or yeah, fairlead mount bracket. And so let's open it up and get it installed. That's it. So the mounting bolts for the winch just go through these bolt holes, and the winch sits on top of it and sandwiches it between the winch and the plate, and that's what holds your fairlead plate in place. Okay, so now we're going to install this fairlead, and this fairlead came with the winch, and it also came with mounting hardware, so we'll go ahead and put it on. Well, the winch seems to work great so far, but the only thing I've used it for is straightening out the cab on my J10. And that's what the install looks like for a Badlands winch. Thanks for watching.